Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about for each method of array. So in general, when we work with array and we want to iterate over every item of an array, how we can achieve this? We can achieve this with the help of a for each method. So let's say we have array of numbers, const numbers 20, 13, 5, 9 and 15. And we want to print all those elements in a console screen. So how we can achieve this? So first we'll write array dot for each. Now, for each accepts a function as an argument where it passes item of an array one by one to that function. So function number. Now this number variable will get every item of an array one by one. And what we want to do, we want to print it in our console screen. So for that we will write console.log number. As we run, as you see, this will print all the numbers of an array in our console screen. So the common question is that how does numbers will become number? So answer is it doesn't. JavaScript doesn't care about the variable name which you define in a callback function. So it will always look for the first variable in a callback function and it will pass all the elements one by one to that particular variable. So let's say if we change variable name to X and print it, so it will show all the numbers, it will log all the numbers in a console screen. So let's take one more example to understand the for each. So what we want to calculate the sum of all the elements in an array. So for that, we'll define a function sum numbers where we pass array as an argument. So first we define result variable which will store the final sum, and then we will use the for each function to calculate the sum. So here we have written numbers dot for each. We will write a function number which will get every element of an array, and what we need to do, we need to sum all those elements. For that, what we have done, result is equal to result plus number. When this for each function will iterate over all the elements, this result variable will have the final sum of all the elements, and what we need to do, we need to return the result. So as you see, we have defined the function. So we call this function and pass array as an argument. So you see that what the result we got the sum of all these numbers. I'm hoping that now you will not face an issue while using for each function in JavaScript. Thanks for watching.